Hi, it's Susan, and we have a new kit, a new activity kit for June. Be sure to ask for it when you come to the library to get books. So for the June craft kit, you're going to get the materials to make your own picture, drawing, painting, and a picture frame for photos. Mostly using materials you might have in your house. Plastic forks, a paper plate, drawing paper. But if you ask for the kit from the library, you'll get these materials and you'll also get some acrylic paints. So let's get started. I poured the little paint pots onto the plate, and to make this one I obviously used the yellow and made kind of a daisy-like flower. Oops, the green got in it. And to make my flower pot at the bottom, or vase, I took a paper towel and dipped it in the paint, and I just blotted into the shape I wanted to blot to make the vase. And then when it dries, I can use a marker and trace around the vase so it has a more defined look. It's good to color your sticks first and make the patterns first. Then I lay down 2 and 2, make sure they're where I want them to be, and 2 more. And then I put dots of glue. You can make a double frame like this, or you can use the sticks you get to make 2 single ones. You have to be a little bit patient. Lay them flat and let them stay. And then once I have those 2 down, even the ones that weren't glued were sort of holding down the 2 sets of sticks, so that was good. If you have little sparklies, glitter, other things you can decorate maybe after this dries. This double frame will only take a pretty small photo, maybe your school photo if you had school photos. So just a few more fun things to do for the end of the year. So ask for a kit from the children's department when you come in to look at our books. We're open now 1:30 to 4:30. Come into the children's room and you can browse books for yourself, and then you can get a kit when you're there.